Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about SweeTango apples. These apples were developed at the University of Minnesota. They're a cross between a Honeycrisp and Zestar apples. They were first introduced in 2009 and are now found for a short time in the early fall across the United States and Canada. So it's slowly making its way out there, and the SweeTangos are a managed variety of apple with limited growers that are overseen to ensure the apple maintains specific qualities. So we may never see them on a huge scale, but they are slowly increasing in what they're able to do. The characteristics of a SweeTango apple: they are medium in size with a bright red skin and with a little bit of yellow on there. They're sweeter than a Honeycrisp apple, and they have a bright, stark white flesh that's very crispy and juicy. Best uses for SweeTango apples: they're best when eaten fresh, out of hand, or cut into salads. They add an extra sweetness and crunch to Waldorf salads, so remember that they are best when eaten fresh. But they can be used in baking applications, like as in muffins, pies, and tarts, since their flavor and their texture does hold up okay when they are heated. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.